It's crazy wind. I know this is windy, so almost see that? Almost that wind almost blew that tree down. Wait, I'm gonna get a better angle. See that? A tree almost fell onto it. Why would you hold the bottle flip down? What? See this? The tree's crazy. You guys see that? Two of them. Very windy, bye.